to Rabbit's first annual Rutabaga Potluck Feast. Now today, we honor the rutabaga in all its glory and its... Did someone say something?
I'm sorry, Rabbit. That was the hungry rumble in my tumbling. Well, it'll be taking much longer.
Yeah, but
You said it, Pooh Boy. I'm absolutely starving over here.
Fine. Let's see now. Some lovely, tangy, making the rutabaga most versatile vegetable. Thank you, rutabagas. And now it's time to introduce your dishes.
We're having a rutabaga potluck. That means we all cook something yummy with rutabaga to share.
I made a rutabaga acorn quiche.
I made rutabagas with honey. Although I forgot the rutabagas.
And we baked this rutabaga pie.
Whoa, delicious.
Tigger, where are your manners?
Oops, didn't know I was supposed to bring those too. But I did bring some mashy bagels. I mashed them with my very own tail.
Well, here's my creation, a most delectable delicacy, rutabagas au gratin. Bon appetit, my friends. May the feast begin. Tigger, gobbling your food that fast is not good for you.
Sorry, Rara. It's just too good to go slow. I think I got a frog in my throat.
That's not a frog, Tigger. That's a hiccup.
And you got them because you ate your food too fast.
Don't worry, Tigger. If you wait a little bit, they'll go away.
How much longer? Because I'm not finished eating yet.
Tigger!
I'm trying to eat here. Are your hiccups gone, Tigger? I think so.
My beautiful table!
Oh, this is terrible. Oh, I'm sorry, everybody. I didn't mean to ruderate the potty luck. Well, I guess I better go. Excuse me. Oh, Tigger's looking rather
Sad. We have to help him get rid of those hiccups.